Another one from whose iPhone. For a single location site, should homepage be location landing page, or should we make a separate location page and link to the GBP? No, if it's a single location site where they're not trying to target a large service area or target a large area, then no, you can link to the homepage. It's fine. The only time I talk about linking to, well, not the only time. That's that's the only time I talk about linking to the homepage from a GBP is when it's like if it's a storefront business and all they're trying to do is optimize for the city that they're located in, then yeah, you can link to the homepage. That's normal. That's perfectly fine. It's when they have location pages on the site, which is what most service area business or storefront businesses that want to target a large area in local search are going to usually have location pages. Like let's just say a law firm. Most law firms have sites that are built like their service area businesses, but they're storefront businesses, right? A law firm is a law firm that, their clients come to the law firm. So it's not a service area business, but almost every attorney site I've ever looked at or worked on is acting like a service area business because it has location pages, because it's trying to rank as across as wide an area as possible. And so if you're going to have location pages on the site, then it makes sense to have a dedicated location landing page that is optimized for the city that the GBP is physically located in and link to that from the GBP. And then your homepage can be optimized for the broadest location entity term that is all inclusive of all the areas that you're targeting with supporting location pages, which is again why I always recommend going to Wikipedia. Sorry, I was trying to use my mouse just now, but let's just use this as an example, right? Because let's just do Las Vegas. Okay, I just finished doing an audit for somebody in Las Vegas today. So we'll start with that one. Las Vegas is a city that is in Clark County, Nevada, right? Clark County, Nevada is a city that or a county that is part of the larger Las Vegas metropolitan area or greater Las Vegas, right? So let's see if I can. Again, I don't have my regular mouse, guys, so this is a little bit awkward using my touchpad thing. I think it's greater Las Vegas or Las Vegas metro area or something like that. Las Vegas Valley, that's it. That's the region. That's the metropolitan area. So this is what I'm talking about when I say location optimization. Let's say it's a law firm in Las Vegas, right? It's a storefront business, guys. It's not a service area business. It's a storefront business. But I almost promise that most uh, law firms in Las Vegas have location pages on their site. And so what I'm getting at is you can see, like, let's just say, for example, Clark County, that's all they wanted to do was target Clark County, not even the larger region, just Clark County. Right here, if we go to communities, look at all these cities, towns, census designated places, unincorporated communities, etc. These are all locations within Clark County. So if it's a Las Vegas law firm and they want to target all of Clark County in local search, then they should be linking to a dedicated page from the GBP to a dedicated page that's optimized for Las Vegas. The homepage then can be optimized for Clark County, right? Say again, semantic triple statement. This is who we are. This is what we do. This is where we do it. Who we are, Benner's Law Firm. This is what we do. Personal injury cases or personal injury law, whatever. And then where we do it, Clark County, Nevada. Because now that's a true semantic triple statement, entity association statement that says this is who we are, this is what we do, and this is where we do it in the broadest terms possible. And then we add specificity through inner pages. These are the specific services we offer. These are the specific locations in which we offer them. Does that make sense? So then the location landing page should link to the dedicated page optimized for the city that the GBP is located in. But the homepage should have the broader statement with the appropriate entity term that is all inclusive of the areas that they're trying to target. So whether that's Clark County or the broader still, Las Vegas Valley. And remember, you can use entity variants for those names. Remember, you don't have to just use that official entity term. You can do this little trick again. And right there are all different variants of that name. That Greater Las Vegas I like that one, Greater Las Vegas, but Las Vegas Valley is another one, right? There's all these different Las Vegas Metro, Las Vegas Metro area. All of those are entity variants. Okay, moving on.